What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2003. It's a Lexus ES300 and we have the situation, all keys lost. We don't have even a key to open it, so we're gonna do a new key for this car. First of all, we need a key code, that way we can cut a key to open the switch. And usually the key is the same as the door if the switch was never changed. If it not, then the key code, it's located on this one, and the only way to remove this tumbler is by removing the cover. And there's a bolt right here. This is a 30T Turks, and you just have to pull it out, and the code for the key is gonna be here. It's the code, so it's different for every car. It's not the same for all of them, because to prevent theft. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a dummy key first and make sure it opens the switch. Then we're gonna go ahead and see if it opens the switch, and if everything goes fine, then we cut a working key with the chip, because this car uses a chip. And if you don't cut a key with the chip and program it, the vehicle will not start. All right, so let's go to a machine and put this code and see if it's gonna work. Let's go. All right, so we are here in the machine. I already input the key code for this car, and that's the cut it gives me. So we're gonna cut a dummy key, and then we're gonna test it out on this cylinder and also the switch. Make sure it works. Alright, so we have the key and it opens the switch. Nice. Now let's go check the car. Alright guys, so we got the tumbler working for the door. So now I'm gonna check if the ignition switch is gonna be opened by this key. Alright, let's see. And alright, so the steering wheel is a little bit locked, so I have to move it a little bit. That way I can open the switch. And there you go. Now that we have the switch open, we can cut a key and program the immobilizer to turn on this car. And I have the already cut key here. This is a aftermarket one, but it works the same. We have the 4C chip on this. We're gonna open the switch. The tool is connected to the OBD port. We're gonna do onboard programming on this car, and we're gonna choose Lexus. Let me see. Let me just move this because it's on the way. There we go. Okay, Lexus. There you go. So we're gonna select Lexus, and the ignition switch is open. We're gonna select auto detection. Hopefully it detects the VIN number automatically. Most Lexus do. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Reading VIN number. Okay, it failed reading the VIN, so we're gonna do this automatically. You can type in the VIN number, but I'm just gonna do a manual selection. I'm gonna select US market, and it's ES300, and we have a 2002-3 plate key. We're gonna select yes, and I'm gonna just give you the vehicle information so you can see what chip number you need, the 4C. And the frequency of the plate is 315 Hz. That's the key we have, and it's gonna do this by OBD port. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna program the chip, and we're gonna add a master key. Oh, you know what? It's the wrong one. We have to go to control unit, immobilizer 4C, and we're gonna do immobilizer reset. Or we can try add master key first. That's what I do all the time. If it doesn't work, well, it's not gonna work because you need a master key to do this, so it's not gonna work. And I'm just gonna cancel this. It's gonna say it's gonna fail because the anti-theft light is blinking right there, so that means there's no master key in the car. And I'm just gonna back out. Alright guys, so for the all keys lost, we're gonna do a reset by immobilizer via OBD2. So we're gonna open the switch, and we're gonna press reset for OBD2, and it's gonna give me the estimate of time. And we're gonna need an external power source so we can keep the battery on. It's gonna give me the timing right now in a little bit. Come on, come out. Give me how long it's gonna take. Okay, it's gonna take 960 seconds to complete. So once that's done, I'm gonna come back and start programming, because this thing is gonna erase all the keys in the module. All right, I'll be back. All right guys, so this is the message you get once it's done. It says reset completed, and we have the light off. We're gonna press OK. It says the ECU is in the automatic registration mode now. During the automatic registration, the security indicator remains on even if a key is registered. To turn off the light, insert a register key and depress the brake pedal 5 times within 15 seconds. When the security light is off, the key has already been registered and the automatic registration mode is finished. Alright, so we're gonna remove all this. So we're gonna get the pedal ready. So we need to turn it off, remove and insert the key, and press pedal 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the security indicator should be off. That means the key is already registered. So we're gonna open the key, and I don't see any light flashing, and let's attempt to start. And it's done, guys. So this is how you program and cut all keys lost for a 2003 Lexus ES300. It applies for many models as well. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, like, and turn on the notifications on so you can get updated with every video I upload every week. Alright guys, yeah, peace out. Bye.